Why do we have to have a drink? Why do we have to have a drink while we do a computer?
Because otherwise, the computer gods will break one of the pieces in there. One of those things that we bought that's new
Okay.
is already dead on. It's called DOA, dead on arrival.
Okay.
And it'll be like something like the motherboard if you don't have a drink. All right.
Okay.
And then that means we don't get to finish it tonight. And your boyfriend has to go out, go get more sugar. He doesn't want it. Just trust me. Have a drink. And pray to the computer gods that none of that stuff is dead on arrival over there and save us time.
Okay. That is the pinkest, girliest beer. It's all the stuff to make
A pooter.
computer. The computer.
Computer.
The computer.
We'll order a bit of computer.
So what time is it right now? It's about 7?
About that.
About 7 o'clock.
Now,
Okay.
doesn't matter.
Scary looking.
Take this.
Okay.
Either side
Did I
doesn't
do it?
matter. You get it already? Oh, well, that was a lot more.
Did I do it right?
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
That was a lot less epic.
I'm really scared to open it now. Should I just go make sure I wash my hands or something?
Probably.
Probably. Oh god. Okay. Oh god.
Black, red, white says ADFX on.
This one?
Or by the blue.
This one. This one. Okay.
First, you're gonna take that little bar right there and pull it out. Kind of lift up on it. It's gonna lift to the side. Perfect. Okay, now you need to look at the chip first.
Okay.
See how there's a couple open areas. Those open areas need to match the open areas down here. And looking around, I can kind of see that.
Yeah. Something like this.
It's nice in there. Yep. Make sure it lines up. Push it in just a little bit. That looks right. Now take that. Push it in. It's gonna take a little pressure. You get it? Did you get it?
Did I?
You do it? That's it.
This one.
What you just did. You put it in, you lowered it, good to go.
Cool. So what is this for?
This is gonna go on your little thing right here.
And what kind is it?
GeForce GTX 950. I'm gonna even put little plugs on here because that's so cute. Okay. All right.